What's up, chat? Back on the road again, man. Me and Goliathan. We're headed to St. Louis. What are we doing, Gary?
It's Fall Fest.
Fall Fest? You know what it looks like to me, man? A big-ass country party.
You know what to expect going into this thing?
Well, me and Gary cheated a little bit. We watched their vlog from 2023?
2023, yeah.
Okay. You got a little taste as to what they do here, man. Bull riding, hot air balloons. Gary knows that when he started to work for me, he signed the contract. And in the contract, it does state
Come on.
that the employee must do what is expected of him. That's a big gray area, but today, it's expected of him to be in a fucking hot air balloon, man.
No.
Let's get on the bull.
Wait.
You know?
If I hop on a bull, I'm gonna die.
I think it's gonna be fun. There's a slight concern for me going in that they're gonna try to get my dumb ass on a bull today. I'm not done making babies, so I just don't think that this is what's best for me personally. But Gary getting on the bull is a green light for me.
Chat, that was a crazy flight. We sat next to a grandma that was stinky. And she was cracking jokes about the airplane going down. And rule number one on an airplane is don't crack a joke about it before we're taking off, man.
That's crazy.
You know? Whatever, though, we dodged that one, man. We're waiting on JB to come pick it up. We're
What's
here
up,
with my
chat?
cousin Brad.
What's up,
all right?
chat?
Former NFL professional athlete, you know, same height, same weight. You already know, man. We're gonna head over to JB. We're gonna link up with Pops, Mark, the whole crew. And then we're going to the fest, man. We're gonna put Gary on the bull. We're putting Pops in the hot air balloon. Give me the camera, and I'll record it.
Let's go, JB.
Wrestling, I'll cheer that. Right now, man, I can't. I can't.
Let's go.
Man, dude, how are you?
Mark.
Getting the boys back in time. What's going on, Gary? How are you, brother? How are you? All good?
So if you're a kid, you can ride the sheep. We're gonna make him ride the sheep.
The sheep's name is
vlog.
I'm gonna have this dude come roll with us, and he's gonna fuck you.
We made it, Gary. We were at the farm, man. Come on, man. Welcome to the farm, boys.
If they give us a helmet and goggles, can you imagine?
I'm down for that, but I'm not riding no real bull. I ain't going no fucking hot air balloon, but I'm down for everything else.
You think we could talk Brad into going on a bull ride?
Oh yeah, he would do it just for fun. Huh?
Major League
Mark would do
Baseball
it, too.
pitcher who's like,
Yeah, Mark, I feel like you would do it too,
like
bro, right?
almost Hall of Fame level.
You all think you're crazy.
No pressure on the camera.
Brad goes,
You got seconds?
Yeah, you see this plate? Of course I got second. I'm gonna get thirds, man.
stick it right there.
I'm gonna get 10 pounds out of here. We're gonna ride the tank, bro.
Battlefield in real life.
Battlefield 6, baby.
So I think Mark's the most excited to ride on the tank.
I think so, yeah.
There's no mines.
There's no mines out there?
You
Fuck
should
you,
be
Gary.
fine.
That's the only battlefield I played, the old school. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
The old school one.
But I don't remember them being that many mines. Fuck. Playing that damn game, man. I can't drive anywhere, bro.
Panzer.
Why do you know so much?
Because he's
Hello,
a
Call
dog.
of Duty. It's my job, you know? I don't know if it's a Panzer.
How much to go on the hot air balloon? Like, how much,
Yeah,
what's your price?
They're terrible.
I'm not paying.
How
it.
much to go on the...
Yeah, but like, what's your...
Who's paying me?
Just in general, like, what's the price? There's a
How much
price.
for me to get on one of those?
Yeah. There's a price for everything.
Okay, well, I just feel like I'm signing up for potential death, like truly.
There's no upside.
Is no upside.
To what?
Okay, you go 1, 2,
Yeah, but I
3,
always go
bang.
scissors.
What's the bet? What's the bet?
To go on the hot air balloon.
If I win, he has to go on the hot air
Oh,
balloon.
wait, no, hold on. No, we're actually doing that? The price is rock, paper, scissors in this guy? Like a smooth, you know?
You can say
A
million?
smooth Michael, you know?
Hey, why don't y'all do rock, paper, scissors for who has to get on the balloon?
I'll do it because I'm not a pussy.
If you're
And I won't do it because I'm black.
If you ever go,
It all works.
You ever been in a higher balloon? You okay? Hanging in there? Is he bothering you today or anything?
I was going to be I was going
I just
to
gave a little
hold
crap. Nah, I can't, man. They're gonna kill me if I hurt you.
You getting on a bull yourself?
No. No, you see them things. You go look at those cowboys close.
Yeah.
They don't got any teeth. No, they're tough as nails. There's no fat ones.
No, right, that's not bad. They're little.
Yeah, they're not no fat ones.
How much would you have to go out there?
At least 100.
Did you do for 10 grand?
No.
Did you do for 100 grand?
Maybe 500.
500 grand.
What?
You go out there.
You want 500 grand to go out there?
Yeah.
You wouldn't do it for less?
You did it for 100 grand. You did it for 100 grand.
Yeah, but it's like you could just get
100 grand
paralyzed.
cash.
Okay, hold on. So if I give you 100 grand cash, you wouldn't go out there and do that? I put that money in front of you. You're gonna be looking a little funny.
Yeah, if you put the money in front of me, then maybe.
I'm not shit straight away. Like.
This is actually cool, man. If I had to do this, man, I mean, you gotta say goodbye to your balls, right? There's no way. How do you save your boys with doing this shit?
Goodbye to your life as well when you're there.
Ow, man, ow. That shit happens, so you can't pay me to go in there.
If you're not careful with your hair, that can happen up there.
When they told us about this event, they're
That's
like,
how
yeah, we got
everybody
bull
goes
riding.
bald. Hot air balloons.
Hot air balloons. And in the back of my head, I was like, fuck, you know? I don't do either one of those, man. I'm down to watch.
All right.
Hey, all right, Dad, see ya. They got rocked.
You have to block that out of your mind.
Over here.
Yeah.
Take it for the vlog. You know?
Over here, head out.
I'm thinking about a thumbnail for you guys.
Like the video. Like and subscribe.
Come here, boy. I'm gonna go over here.
Look at you.
Okay.
Look how big that is.
Yeah, y'all got him. Look at that. Shoulders. Whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Did you hear what he said? Did you hear what he said? They might clear the fence. They did. He said he might clear the fence. Oh, yeah, they jumped.
That's what my dad always said.
You know what I mean? It's like not even a
I'm
challenge.
kicking Gary in the knee and running, man. Oh, I'm old, man. We're old, bro. You've been watching me for 14 years.
Here we go. Look at that. Looks like a top hat from the early 1900s. Whoa, it's out there. Every single time
They're about
when
to
it
fight
comes
some
to
bulls.
competition.
They got an ambulance
Freestyle
up there,
bullfighting is all about.
Just waiting to stitch one of these guys up, man. Pop a shoulder back into place.
Cool. Wow. Gut check. Get to the middle, Connor. Let's get a fight rolling. And somehow, after that, that man stands back up in the ring against an animal that weighs 1,200 pounds to his 150. It's a standoff. Wow. That situation, and Connor Hugh is turning this fight around. Something awesome. 5. Come over here, Cole. Up and over. Yes, sir. Let him out.
Get over here, boy. Get her.
I'm taking for the content, you know? I'm taking for the views.
Get over here, boy.
The views of Marcus ran over.
You think you could do that? Fuck no. I mean, I could, but I don't want to do it.
With like some good cleats, you think you could?
I could for like a second, maybe. I'm getting thrown right off, and I'm running.
Pretty agile though.
Oh, I'm old, man. How old are you?
Look,
29.
sometimes when you get up against the fence, you're
34,
closing off your
You're
ability
good,
to
man. You're
escape.
good.
You're
The other day, I'm
closing off
walking
your
to the fridge and-
avenues to work. You're closing off your options.
You're good.
basically.
Oh, dude, it's real now, man.
Sometimes it
Bro, I'm
works,
running
it's really cool.
for my health.
Sometimes
Never ran for my health in 20 years.
All in all, keep driving. See Tim zig, see Tim zag. He's going left, he's going right.
Come on.
I can't believe he's still on his feet. 20 seconds remaining. Whoa!
Oh my God.
He says, get out of here. Takes his victory lap. Yeah.
Try to give him dance, man.
You know you're a loyal fan when you're watching Michigan at the bowl.
Little hats on top.
Go blue, baby. Come on. The tight one. The tight one.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Congrats on everything, bro. You're crushing it, man.
You guys have a good time?
This is cool.
It's alright.
I'm not a country boy, but it was cool.
Tap into it.
I've been in the country.
Tap into it.
I knew what I was pulling up on, man.
That's what I'm saying. It's not bad.
I see you driving the tank.
I'll hold if you hit it.
Hey, he's got fucking military experience.
No. Block there and 9mm on there. Check the boot. Don't let me get to the boot. It's over.
You can wrestle, man.
I'm a fucking monkey, man.
I'm scared of someone who can wrestle. No, I ain't saying you're scared. I'm just saying he can wrestle.
He can wrestle. Okay, then we go to the ground. Then what?
You wrestle him, you broke a fucking rib.
Listen,
I broke a rib,
go,
but I was
just go
fucking
right,
up so bad I
Nick,
exhausted myself.
right to his left knee, bro. Just go right to his left knee.
Blow it up. Blow it up.
Oh, he's
It's bionic.
Go right to
I
it.
got screws on that one. It's bionic, bro. It's not going anywhere. You gotta hit the other one. It's titanium. We have Wolverine on that side, bro.
We just got back. Great time out there at the farm, Gary, the country. Yeah, I'm not a country guy, man, but I got a little country in me. We didn't have the boots or the hat, but we had some fun out there with the boys, man. The bull riding was crazy.
That was
Hot air
fire.
balloons. We didn't get to ride the tank. The tank would have been kind of cool. The food was awesome. Big shout out First Form, Andy, Sal, everybody there, man. Can't wait to go back out there again. We're getting close to popping this baby out over here, man.
You're about to be number 2.
Kind of 2 or 3 weeks, and boy number 2 is gonna be here, man. Crazy.
So we don't know when the next vlog is because you're about to be a little busy.
We don't know, man. But on that note, I'm taking the pregnant wife to get tacos, and then we're gonna go from there to streaming probably tomorrow, back in the game. Until next time, Chad, we'll see you later, baby.